Page 148, Jingle Bells. 4/4 time. It's in the key of G major. Got one sharp, G sharp, F sharp, some sharp. It's an F sharp. Now, take my word for it, it's an F sharp. I sort of know what I'm talking about. It's a happy piece. It's a rather fast piece. Depends on how fast you can sing it. Here at the beginning, let's just look this carefully. In the right hand, you're in this position. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1. 4 and 1, 2. If you didn't get that, you've got most of it. Take a look over on page 149. Third measure or third line down. Yeah, staccatos. 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and rest and 1. So just watch the rhythm carefully, you should be fine. Now fingering wise, let's go back to the top of page 148. You can finger like they're telling you to, it's fine. I want to make some suggestions, give you some things to think about. In the second measure with the eighth notes, when you're going slow, I mean, doing thumb is fine. If that's all you're going to do, if you speed this up, and that thumb doesn't work so much anymore. So, some alternatives. You can do a 1-2-1. That's easier than going 1-1-1. Or you can do a 3-2-1. Which is actually, if you're going to go fast, that's the preferred way of doing it, but it takes a little longer to get it. You've got to learn to do it without looking. So it's 1. And anywhere else you have that, it'd be the same fingering. It's up to you what you want to do. 1-1-1, 1-2-1, or 3-2-1. I'm going to do 3-2-1 because I like that the best for me. You decide for you. Then on page 149, third line, when you get to the chorus, I recommend a 3-1-3, 3-1-3. So you're not using the same finger all the time. And then the last measure, if this, that's fine if that's what you want to do, or you can do start with 4, or any finger actually, because you got to rest right before it. And just 4, you can do a 4-1. Just to alternate 4-1, 4-1. You can decide if you want to alternate fingers and which fingers you want to alternate. It's up to you on how you finger it really, but if you want to just stick with one finger, that's fine too. It just doesn't work reliably in a fast setting. It's like at the top of the page, the first measure. You can use fifth finger on both. I mean, there's just 2 of them, you can get away with it. If there are more of them, we might want to do something. Otherwise, since you had a rest before, you're here on a rest, here, you can use 4-5. If you want, that's fine too. On the first line there in the last measure, I'm just jumping around. I've had plenty of coffee, I'm ready to go now. The last 2 measures on page 148 is here. You don't have to put a thumb on that if you don't want to. You can use second finger. Just bring second finger down. That's fine, because you get a quarter rest to go on. You can lift up, and then you can do a 4-5 or 5-5 or whatever you decide on those. And then in the second line, you're here. I do a 2-1 for the 2 quarter note E's, and then here. It's up to you. It's kind of fun whenever you get into this. It's 5, 4, 3, 4. Watch that on the next measure. Bring the second finger down for the A. You pick a fingering you like, but have some fun with this. You don't have to use the same finger all the time, is what I'm saying. And it will help you later on. If you can get into the habit of using different fingers, experiment, because it really comes in handy. As far as the left hand goes, keep the left hand soft. We have staccato at the beginning. It's 5-3. And that's just there until you get down to the third line. Now we get, well, the second line actually. You get whole notes. Big deal. That's about it for the left hand. There's not going on. So just keep it slow. Staccato. Rest. Rest. Remember to put in these rests, they're important. Now this is a very famous melody and most everybody's heard of it, but this particular arrangement I'd still like to do a play with me to go over it slowly, to double check the notes, to make sure you have the right notes. As far as dynamic goes, it's medium loud at the beginning, it's a happy piece. And the chorus over the third line, the 149, it's loud. That's where you're really having fun. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's play this slowly together. Go ahead and put your hands where they go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. Rest. 4. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. I'd like to do a duet with you, so if they put in a teacher accompaniment there. So let's do this together. I'm going to speed it up a little closer to how it would go. And I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C went up an octave on the keyboard, and instead of here, go up here. And play your stuff up here. I'm going to do this about a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's how fast we're going to go. Be ready. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's do this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.